Hey, what's up traders? Welcome to this video where we'll look how to start crypto day trading. Crypto day trading is getting more and more popular, and in this video we will dive into where I will be challenging myself as a complete beginner, and we will look how to start our first successful day trade. Whether you're looking for the potential gains or you want to dive into the thrills of the crypto day trading, stick around because we will look at it all. Crypto day trading is gaining a popularity for a reason. The native nature of these markets has a huge potential for the gains. But with those huge volatility benefits comes also the serious challenges, especially if you are starting out. Endless stream of the information can lead into something which I called analysis paralysis, which can bog you down into the information that you don't take action when you should. So how can we overcome these informations and actually succeed as a day traders? The first few things you need to understand is definitely the charts, market sentiments, and the daily bias to predict the next potential market moves. Once you understand the market trends, you want to be trading just in the direction of the higher time frame trends, so you can actually anticipate the expansions and not trading the retracement of the main trend. Successful day traders aren't just skilled in the technical analysis, they are disciplined. You need to have a strategy and the trading plan and stick to it no matter what, even if the emotions are trying you to pulling out into the different ways. And mainly as a day trader, you need to be able to quickly adapt to the market changing conditions and do not marry your market bias, because it's quickly changing in the crypto world and especially in the day trading. Once you have your strategy and trading plan together, you need to stay disciplined, but what really defines your destiny as a trader is a risk management. Great risk management and risking fixed amount per trade can keep you in the game even if the things are not going as per the plan. Because no one is 100% right. You will not be winning by being right, but you will be winning with the great risk management where your losses will be much smaller than your wins. And then on the series of the trades, your wins will beat your losses, and that's where you will win. This is not definitely all, but these two are the most important aspects for every day trader. Okay, let me share a story from my own journey as a trader. I remember the moment that after few months when I was applying correct risk management, finally my equity started to be growing consistently. That was when I realized that with the right knowledge, strategy, discipline and risk management, anything is possible in the crypto day trading. It wasn't just about the money, but all the hard work I put back in the years has finally started to pay off. So if you're ready to jump into the crypto day trading, here are a few tips to get you started. Educate yourself, learn the basics of the technical analysis, write down your trading plan, keep up with the good risk management and be disciplined. Stay to all of these no matter what. This will be a foundation for your trading. Start small. Don't go all in with your first trade. Get comfortable with the process and then scale up as you gain the experience. Stay disciplined. Create a strategy, narrow it down to each element of the trade to eliminate emotion-based decisions. Manage risk. Always use a stop loss. Never risk more than 1% per trade, and on the prop accounts, cut that into the half. And this will keep you in the game for the long term. And definitely choose the right platform. Look for the one which will fit you in the terms of the fees, tools and ease of the use. I can recommend the Bybit or the Binance Pro. This is the definitely great places to start. Okay guys, so day trading isn't definitely about making trading fortune overnight. It's about creating your long-term trading skills, understanding the markets and mainly staying disciplined. Thanks for tuning into this ultimate guide how to start start day trading in the crypto. If you enjoyed this video and have any questions, don't forget to drop them in the comments below. And if you're ready to start a day trading, don't forget to check our other videos about the advanced trading strategies. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future content. Let's get started this journey together.